Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Teach Our Kids. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போறது closed curve letters. D, P, B, R, S. Including these 5 letters, so far 24 letters பார்த்திருக்கோம். Along with this letter, we are gonna see U and J. வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம் வாங்க. First letter D. Standing line, closed curve. D. One more time. Standing line, closed curve. D. Next letter P. Standing line, closed curve. Touch the middle line. P. One more time. Standing line, closed curve. Touch the middle line. P. Next letter B. Standing line, closed curve. Back, closed curve. B. One more time. Standing line, closed curve. Back, closed curve. B. Next letter R. Standing line, closed curve, down slanting. R. One more time. Standing line, closed curve, down slanting. R. Next letter S. Open curve, closed curve. Yes. One more time. Open curve, closed curve. Yes. Next letter U. Standing line, turn, up. U. One more time. Standing line, turn, up. U. Last one is J. Sleeping line, standing line, turn, up. J. One more time. Sleeping line, standing line, turn, up. J. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாக இருந்திருக்கும். Thank you for watching this video. இந்த சேனலை இன்னமும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலனா ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to see my upcoming videos. இந்த வீடியோவை உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். Thank you. Bye.